Hi friends, welcome to Decisa's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make dry baby prawns potato chops. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have handful of spring onion greens chopped, 4 medium sized onions chopped, 4 green chilies chopped, 3 kokum petals chopped finely, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 medium sized tomato chopped, handful of coriander leaves chopped. Here I have 4 boiled potatoes which I have mashed. Here I have half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder. You can add more or less according to the spiciness you prefer. 1 egg, dry baby prawns, salt as per your taste, oil for frying and the rava to coat the chops. Here I have pan with oil which is hot. Now we'll add the chopped onions and the chopped tomato. We'll saute it till it turns translucent. Now we'll add the chilies, kokum petals and ginger garlic. We'll saute it for a minute. Now we'll add the chopped coriander and the onion greens. And again we'll saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we'll add all the masalas. Add salt as per your taste and we'll add the washed baby prawns. Mix well. And we'll cook this on a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Our filling is done. Our filling is cooled down. Now let's prepare the chops. We'll take small amount of mashed potato, flatten it, and we'll place the filling in the middle. Now we'll close it. And shape it out. Now we'll dip it in the egg wash and roll it in the semolina. Same way we'll prepare all. And now we'll leave it in the oil. Now we'll flip them. We'll fry them till both the sides are light golden brown in color. Our chops are done. They have got light golden brown color on both the sides. Our dry baby prawns potato chops is ready. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.